Hey guys, just wanted to show you this Lasko Box fan. It's an older model because one, you can see how, wait, you can't see the blades in the way. You can see how beefier the frame is that holds the motor on, as you can see. You can also see that the switch knob is different. It's not like the other one. It's not just one knob, it's actually two pieces, because one piece shows the numbers in which the speed is, in which the fan is operating at, and the other is just a selector. I'm going to show you it. It's dated March of 1999, so here's high. Medium. And low. Here's the back. Motor's still the same size. Doesn't matter. It's kind of dusty and the handle's a little sun bleached. And unlike the new fans today, this has the holes in the side for a stand. I think the cabinet is a lot sturdier. Like I think it has a thicker metal than the. I'll look at the other one. Yeah, it won't take long, I swear. Okay, as you can see, well, I drew all over it, but see, okay. Let's see that. Can't see that too well, I'm sorry. Okay, here's the new one. Now watch this. See how fudge that is? And this one, perfectly okay. Well, I sort of made my point, so I think I'll end the video now, and there are more videos to come. Thank you.